Machzor Lev Shalem is unique in a number of ways. One is the number of different entry points in terms of the experience of prayer and theology that people will find on any given page. Every single member of the committee wanted to make sure that this is a book that everyone will be able to enter. Whether you are someone who is very, very knowledgeable and have been davening for years, or whether you come only on the High Holy Days, or whether this is the first time you have ever walked into a synagogue and you're coming on the High Holy Days, we wanted this to be something that would be, that everybody could connect to.
Different people can take different journeys within the Machzor and find their spiritual place within the conservative movement, but within Judaism.
In my opinion, as a professor of liturgy, anytime there is an innovative and creative new publication in liturgy, it's a good thing for the Jews.
It means a whole heart. And our hope was that the Machzor would allow people to come to the moment of prayer with a whole heart.
לכל איש יש שם שנתן לו אלוהים ונתנו לו אביו ואמו. לכל איש יש שם שנתנו לו קומתו ואופן חיוכו ונתן לו האריג. לכל איש יש שם שנתנו לו ההרים ונתנו...
It's a Machzor that I think can really address people in a heartful place and a soulful place at a time when they really need it, which is during the high holidays.
Each of us has a name. Each of us has a name given by the source of life and given by our parents. Each of us has a name given by our stature and our smile and given by what we wear. Each of us has a name given by the mountains and given by our walls. Each of us has a name given by the stars and given by our neighbors. Each of us has a name given by our sins and given by our longing. And each of us has a name.
There is a cadre of congregants that is really looking for spiritual direction, seeking to connect with something greater than him or herself, that oftentimes our movement has really focused on the intellectual rather than the spiritual, and people are really thirsting, and I think the Machzor speaks to that.
We include prayers to keep in mind people in the community who may be in financial need, people in the community who may be lonely, people in the community who may be suffering from depression. A human experience that has never been, to my knowledge, in a conservative prayer book on the page.
I think what this book represents is conservative Judaism as a big tent and welcoming everybody into the tent and making it as wide as possible so that everybody feels comfortable.
It has the potential to truly be revolutionary.
Uplifting.
Relevant.
Exciting to read. They're very
beautiful.
Heart.
Very thoughtful.
Awe-inspiring.
Such a game changer.
The one thing that I would hope or would love is that 400 years from now, if some comment we had made in this Machzor, something we had done in this Machzor, was still being recited or still being said, and nobody knew where it came from,